Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will address a common issue with the Dyson HS01 SE hairdryer, which is that it turns off after a short period of use. This is often due to a blocked filter that prevents proper airflow, causing the device to overheat and shut down for safety reasons. Let's dive into the steps to resolve this issue. First, ensure that your hairdryer is unplugged from the mains. Safety is paramount when working with electrical devices. You will need a few tools for this task: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a cloth for cleaning. Begin by removing the filter cover. Locate the small screws on the back of the hairdryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the filter cover. You may need to wiggle it slightly to release it from its position. Now, take a look at the filter itself. If it appears dirty or clogged with hair and dust, this is likely the cause of the overheating. Use your soft brush to gently clean the filter, removing any debris that may be obstructing airflow. Be thorough but gentle to avoid damaging the filter. After cleaning the filter, it's essential to check the internal components for any additional blockages. If you feel comfortable doing so, you can remove the casing of the hairdryer to access the internal parts. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws holding the casing together. Keep track of these screws, as you will need them to reassemble the device. Once the casing is off, inspect the internal components for dust or hair that may have accumulated. Use your cloth to wipe down any surfaces, ensuring that everything is clean and free from obstructions. If you notice any significant buildup, it may be worth considering a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure that there are no underlying issues. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your hairdryer serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your problem. Once you have cleaned the internal components, carefully reassemble the hairdryer by reversing the steps you took to take it apart. Ensure that all screws are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reattach the filter cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson HS01 SE and turn it on. Monitor its performance to see if the issue has been resolved. If the hairdryer continues to shut off, it may be time to get a quote before repair from a professional service. Regular maintenance of your Dyson HS01 SE can prevent these issues from occurring in the future. Make it a habit to clean the filter regularly and check for any blockages to ensure optimal performance. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your hairdryer is back to working condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.